Chris here with Mountain View Turning. I'm going to do the February giveaway for the timber frame bowl. You guys remember it when I did on 1/12 of 21. I'm going to do the giveaway for it. I did it yesterday, but when I went to do the card, it was empty, so I guess I forgot to hit the button. So we'll just have to redo it again. The winner is Stacie's Country Kitchen. I can get the tab there. But you guys need to go check her out. She does a lot of cooking shows, and they're pretty neat. She does some car videos too of classic cars. But yeah, if you want to send me your address again, and I'll put this in the bowl. Put the bowl in the mail for you and ship it to you. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like. Subscribe button if you're not a member. Comments are always welcome. Have a nice day.